Now we will see the formation of a double covalent bond. So double covalent bond is formed when two pairs of electrons are shared between the two combining atoms. So we'll take the example of oxygen molecule. Oxygen, as we know, the atomic number is 8. So the electrons are filled, 2 in the first shell and 6 electrons in the valence shell. Both oxygen atoms are identical. Both have 6 electrons in their valence shell. Because there are 6 electrons in the valence shell, so both of these will require 2 more electrons so as to get the electronic configuration of neon, that is 8 electrons in the outermost and the second shell. So what these two oxygen atoms will do, they will be coming together. When they come together, their orbits will overlap. When the orbits overlap, only 2 pairs of electrons will be shared between the two oxygen atoms. 2 electrons will be given by each oxygen atom to form the chemical bond between two oxygen atoms to form oxygen molecule. Now when we see this overlap of the orbits, we can see that 6 electrons are already there in one oxygen atom, and the 2 electrons which are shared by the other oxygen atoms also will belong to this oxygen atom. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons will be present with this oxygen, as well as we can see the second shell of the other oxygen atom also will have 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of itself, and the 2 which are shared by the first oxygen atom. In this way, both the oxygen atoms will be satisfied with 8 electrons in their valence shell. And as we know, the reason for chemical activity is the atoms want to get the electronic configuration like that of the nearest noble gas. So we can see here both the oxygen atoms have got 8 electrons in their outermost shell and total 10 electrons with them. That is the electronic configuration of that of neon gas. This results in the formation of oxygen molecule. Now when similar kind of atoms are combining together, the electron pairs which are shared will remain for equal time with both the oxygen atoms. It will be shared equally between the participating atoms. Such bond formation is called non-polar covalent bond or non-polar covalent molecule is formed, because the shared pair of electrons is equally shared between the participating atoms.